Hey! In front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. First of all, access Tap menu. In it, you need to look for location shortcut, and when you find it, tap on it. As you can see, mine is over here. Then select close in this pop-up, and when I go back, as you can see, location of my OnePlus is now off. In order to turn it on, click on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can always go into settings as well and look for location section over here. Then click on it. Now you can manage location of this OnePlus by choosing this sweater next to location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!